Good morning, dear students. Here we discuss about remaining part of chapter 15. Question 6. Question 6 is find the area of the square inscribed in a circle of 8 centimeter radius. Means square inside a circle. Square inside a circle, and radius of circle is given 8 centimeter. Radius of circle is given 8 centimeter. Okay, it means here radius O is fixed point, O to B and O to D is radius, and dB is a diameter. Okay, OB is 8 and OD is also 8. Let ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square. Okay, and O is center of circle. O is center of circle, and ABCD is square inside a circle. Then OB and OD are radius. OB and OD are radius, and let side of square is x centimeter. We let side is not given of square, then we let side of square is x centimeter, and in square we know all sides are equal. Therefore AD x, DC is x, BC is also x, and AB is also x. Okay, x, all sides are equal. Therefore diagonal of square means in square, here in square ABCD two diagonals BD and AC. Okay, BD and AC. So diagonal of square equal diameter of a circle. Okay na, DB is diameter of circle and DB is diagonal of square ABCD. It means diagonal of square DB or BD equal diameter of circle. Radius of circle is 8 and diameter is double of radius. Diameter is a double of a radius. Okay, we know that diameter equal 2 into radius. It means diameter is a double of radius. Okay, in circle. Then BD equal 2 into 8. Diameter of circle, radius 2 into 8. So BD equal we get 16 centimeter. We get diagonal of square is 16 centimeter. 16 centimeter. Therefore in right angle triangle we find area of square na. First we find side of square, then we find area side into side. Okay, in right angle triangle DBC, right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, according to Pythagoras theorem, we know that hypotenuse square, because in square all angles are 90 degree. Okay, so DB is diagonal, so hypotenuse square equal perpendicular square plus a base square. Hypotenuse, perpendicular and a base. So BD square equal DC square plus a BC square. DB, here we get DB equal 16, so put DB equal 16. Okay, 16 whole square. DC we let side of square is x, so DC is x and BC is also x. Both are side of square and both are same. 16 into 16, 256. X square 1x square plus 1x square, 2x square as it is. Here we calculate value of x, so x square 256 divided by 2, so x square is 128. We get here x square is 128. Okay, now according to question we calculate area of square. Area of square means area of square. We know that area of square is a side square, so side we let here side of square is x, so x square, and here we calculate x square is 128, therefore area of square is a side square means 128 centimeter square is a answer. 128 centimeter square is a answer. Area of square inscribed a circle of 8 centimeter radius is a 128 centimeter square. Next question. In figure there is a quadrant ABMC of a circle with radius 14 centimeter and with BC as diameter. A semicircle is drawn. Find the area of a shaded part. Find the area of a shaded part. Question is here. We draw diagram. Quadrant means fourth part. Quadrant ABMC. Quadrant ABMC means that one quadrant with radius 14 centimeter means radius is given 14 centimeter. So quadrant means 14 and 14 centimeter is given. Okay, angle is given 90 degree. Here right angle, it means 90 degree. AB equal AC. AB equal AC. Okay, 90 degree. Then first we calculate find shaded part. Okay, we calculate find shaded part. Shaded part means that one. We calculate a shaded portion. Okay, that one is shaded portion. Okay, now first we calculate area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC, we know that area of triangle half base into height. Okay, half 14 into 14, therefore 98 centimeter square. 98 centimeter square area. Now we calculate area of quadrant. Quadrant is given ABMC. Area of quadrant according to identity pi r square theta upon 360. Pi 22 upon 7 r square 14 into 14 theta 90 degree divided by 360. Okay, here we calculate that part. It means we get area of quadrant ABMC is 154 centimeter square. 154 centimeter square. Okay. Now area of DOCMB. Area of BOCMB means that one. Area of that one part. Area of that one part is area of ABMC. That one part means area of ABMC means this part minus that part na, area of triangle. So we get this one, area of ABMC minus area of ABC. Okay, area of ABMC, we calculate area of ABMC is 154 and we get area of triangle ABC is 98. So we get 154 minus 98, it means 56 centimeter square. We calculate shaded part. Area of shaded part na. Therefore in right angle triangle ABC, in right angle triangle ABC, AB square plus AC square equal BC square. According to Pythagoras theorem, BC is hypotenuse, so BC square equal perpendicular square plus base square. Base square. Okay, 14 square equal BC square. Now here value of BC is 14 root 2 centimeter. Value of BC and BC is diameter of this semicircle. Diameter of this semicircle. It means radius of that semicircle is divided by 2. Na. Radius is half of diameter. Diameter is double of radius. Therefore BC is this radius of semicircle. Radius of semicircle means 14 root 2 divided by 2. Cancel out a, so radius is we get radius is 7 root 2 centimeter. 7 root 2 centimeter. Okay. Now we calculate area of semicircle. Area of semicircle is pi r square divided by 2. Pi r square divided by 2. Area of circle pi r square and area of semicircle means divided by 2. Put here r equals 7 root 2. So area of semicircle pi means 22 upon 7, r square means 7 root 2 and divided by 2. Okay, cancel out 7 cancel out, root 2 into root 2 means 2, so cancel out 22 into 7 means 154 centimeter square. 154 centimeter square. It means area of shaded part. We calculate area of shaded part na. So area of shaded part means according to diagram area of shaded part means BABMC minus ABC means that part remaining. So area of semicircle minus area of quadrant minus area of triangle ABC. Okay, area of semicircle, we calculate area of semicircle is 154 as it is, minus as it is area of quadrant means 154. We calculate area of quadrant is 154. Okay, and area of triangle is 98. Put here 98. 154 as it is, minus 154 cancel out, minus plus, in multiply minus plus, so plus 98. So area of shaded part is 98 centimeter square is answer. Okay, understood? Next, question number 10 is it means in previous question we calculate only first part area of triangle, second part quadrant of A, B, M or C, okay, and third part area of semicircle. First area of triangle, second area of quadrant, and third part area of a semicircle. Okay, and subtract each other. Question number 10. In question number 10, in the given figure, radius of the semicircle is given 7 centimeter. Radius is given 7 centimeter and find area of circle formed in the side of the semicircle. Okay. This diagram is given. Semicircle, AB is diameter and A to C. Here A to C is a radius. This one is given 7. This one is given also 7. So total 14. Okay. Now find area of circle. We find or we calculate area of that circle. Okay. Inside the semicircle. Means radius of circle. First we calculate radius of that circle and then we calculate area of a circle. Okay. So according to this one is given 7 centimeter. This one is given also 7 centimeter. So SC equal that one. It means CD, SC equal CD. SC equal CD means this one is given 7. So this one is given also 7. 7 equal 7. Okay. So here we calculate CD is CD is a diameter of that circle. It means we calculate radius. Radius is a half na. So 7 divided by 2. 7 divided by 2 means OC. O2C is radius. O2C is radius is 7 divided by 2. It means 3.5 centimeter. Radius of that circle. Okay. OC equal OD. Both are radius. Therefore we calculate according to question area na. Okay. Area of circle inside the semicircle. It means area of circle is pi r square. Value of pi 22/7. R means radius, and here we calculate radius is 7/2 or 3.5. It means r into r, 3.5 into 3.5. Okay, here we calculate, solve that one. It means area of circle. Area of circle is we get 38.5 centimeter square. Okay, unit of area is square. Okay, now mention 38.5 centimeter square. Area of that circle is 38.5 centimeter square. Okay, thanks.